When you board a flight, you entrust your life to the safety and reliability of the aircraft. However, a recent Senate hearing has raised alarming concerns about the integrity of Boeing's manufacturing practices, casting a shadow over the trust placed in the aerospace giant by millions of air travelers worldwide. At the heart of the controversy lies the explosive testimony of Sam Salehpour, a Boeing engineer and whistleblower. Salehpour's revelations during the Senate committee hearings sent shockwaves through the aviation industry, exposing what he described as a profoundly flawed safety culture within the company. He alleged that Boeing had been systematically ignoring and downplaying safety concerns raised by employees, actively discouraging them from documenting or escalating issues that could potentially ground planes or delay production schedules. "I was told not to create delays. I was told, frankly, to shut up," Salehpour recounted, painting a picture of an environment where profits and timelines took precedence over rigorous quality control and adherence to safety protocols. Among the most concerning accusations leveled by Salehpour was Boeing's alleged disregard for its own manufacturing tolerances. He claimed that the company used excessive and unmeasured force to correct misalignments between sections of jets, resulting in gaps far exceeding the allowable tolerance of 5 by 1,000th of an inch. A seemingly minuscule margin, but one that Salehpour warned could have catastrophic consequences at cruising altitudes. Boeing's defense of these practices as hyper-conservative standards and assurances of rigorous inspections failed to convince the whistleblower and many aviation safety experts. When operating at 35,000 feet, the size of a human hair can be a matter of life and death, Salehpour emphatically stated, underscoring the grave risks associated with even the slightest deviation from stringent manufacturing specifications. Perhaps most damning was Salehpour's depiction of Boeing's internal culture, which he characterized as actively hostile towards those who dared to raise safety concerns. He claimed that quality managers routinely discouraged the documentation and escalation of issues, fostering an environment where potential hazards could be swept under the rug in the name of expediency. "When a quality manager says don't send to a subject matter to an expert, that's concerning," he lamented, highlighting the alarming lack of transparency and accountability within the company's ranks. This alleged culture of silence and intimidation raises serious questions about Boeing's ability to identify and address potential safety risks before they manifest into catastrophic incidents. It also casts doubt on the efficacy of the company's internal reporting mechanisms, which should serve as a vital safety net for identifying and mitigating potential issues. The allegations surrounding Boeing's safety practices echo the aftermath of the 2 fatal 737 MAX crashes, which claimed 346 lives and led to the grounding of the entire MAX fleet. Testimony from Ed Pearson, a former Boeing manager and the executive director of the Foundation for Aviation Safety, further exacerbated concerns. Pearson accused Boeing of a criminal cover-up by withholding documentation related to a door plug incident on an Alaska Airlines 737 MAX flight. This lack of transparency and accountability has raised questions about the company's commitment to addressing systemic issues and learning from past mistakes. As the Senate hearings unfolded, lawmakers from both parties expressed grave concerns over the mounting allegations against Boeing. Senator Richard Blumenthal, the chairman of the Senate Permanent Subcommittee on Investigations, described the situation as serious, even shocking, highlighting the need for a reckoning within the company. Blumenthal revealed that since the hearing's announcement, his committee has received reports from other whistleblowers within Boeing, further underscoring the depth of the problem. One mechanic from the company's non-union South Carolina factory reported being threatened with the prospect of hundreds of others waiting outside the gates for our jobs if concerns were raised. Boeing finds itself at a crossroads, facing a crisis of confidence in its commitment to safety and quality. The company's assurances of painstaking inspections and adherence to exacting standards ring hollow in the face of whistleblower accounts and allegations of a toxic corporate culture. To restore public trust and maintain its position as a leader in the aviation industry, Boeing must undergo a fundamental shift in its approach to safety. This transformation must start from the top, with a renewed emphasis on transparency, accountability, and a genuine commitment to fostering an environment where safety concerns are not only welcomed, but actively addressed. Only through a concerted effort to prioritize safety over expediency and profit can Boeing hope to weather this storm and emerge as a truly trustworthy guardian of the skies. The aviation industry, and the millions of passengers who entrust their lives to its aircraft, deserve nothing less. If you found this video informative and want to stay updated on the latest news and analysis, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring you more in-depth content like this.